friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you few simple kurti designs which you can turn them into a stylish wear by just adding a contrast color dupatta or heavy dupattas with it. So please continue watching the video till the end without skipping. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends too, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.